Education is constantly evolving. The tools are evolving as well. That means making daily life in the classroom easier. It also means being prepared when the worst occurs. ShieldWrite is a highly mobile two-sided whiteboard. It's ideal for hallway signage, small group collaboration in the classroom, or media center study areas. It also fosters dynamic instruction, allowing teachers to move around the classroom rather than being tied to a large, fixed whiteboard. ShieldWrite's daily utility disguises its hidden safety quality. The 6-foot-tall whiteboard holds a ballistic-grade core capable of stopping assault rifle bullets and enabling escape. Current guidance from the FBI centers on 3 tactics for survival: run, hide, and fight. ShieldWrite is among the first products specifically designed to help people run. Just as fire safety plans rely on multiple tactics for success, ShieldWrite is part of a layered approach to prevention and protection in active shooter events. Used alone, ShieldWrite can block a doorway or cover a window. It can also be pushed or pulled down a hallway to create a mobile protective screen for escape, or for law enforcement to advance. When deployed in groups, ShieldWrite can be used to quickly block off a hallway or other access point, allowing for large groups to run to safety. ShieldWrite gives you greater freedom to communicate, collaborate, and problem solve, blending into a welcoming school environment. And its added layer of protection is there, ready to deploy should the unthinkable happen. Build more flexibility, security, and safety into your school spaces. Make ShieldWrite part of your school safety plan today.